Welcome back to Polaris Presents Off-Roader 2015 in association with CNBC TV18. Now on this series, we give you, the viewer, a chance to try your hand at maneuvering an ATV on the obstacle course, all in the bid to win the coveted title of Off-Roader 2015. Let's find out a little bit more about what lies ahead on the series. Pankaj, tell me a little bit about what is this competition?
We have just completed 3 years in India, and we thought that, there's so many customers who have really enjoyed. But now is the time that we should select the off-roader of the year, and that's when we discussed with your team, and we came out with this idea where we wanted to look at that who is this person who really enjoys off-roading, who has the passion and has the adventure quotient, and was really enjoyed over this period the ATV rides and off-roading as such. So as a community, in order to build this off-roading community, we thought that why not identify the off-roader of the year, and that's how this property came in.
Talking about the series, talking about the competition, will there be any criteria or any eligibility criteria for the people who would be participating, or is it just basically going to be people who have a driver's license and an age criteria?
No, we haven't put any age criteria as of now. Of course, it has to be an adult. What we are looking at is his interests in the off-roading and what he has done so far, and then what he does to pursue that, and how much he can show that he has achieved in the year 2014, and what is he doing about this off-roading community, whether he has participated in any tournament or he has been exploring on his own. So it's not that we are restricting only those people who are participating in competition, but if you have the capability, you have the ATVs, or you have borrowed the ATVs, and then you have gone around and explored something which you would never have done in your life, that's what we would like the entries to be in.
Great, so it's open for one and all.
Yes.
I think this is a good time for you to tell us also about the grand prize that you're going to be giving the Off-Roader 2014. What is this grand prize?
Yeah, the best product, which is the most liked product in Polaris in India today, is the RZR S800, and we are going to give away that product to the winner.
Fantastic. So it's going to be an exciting competition, and it's a fantastic prize also. I want to talk a little bit about the Polaris Experience Zones, because like you said, the elimination or the 3 rounds will be held at Polaris Experience Zones. How did you guys come up with the idea of these zones?
Yeah, the first idea that came in was we were participating in Auto Expo, and we were doing it for the first time, exposing the products to the nation. And we thought, what should we do to communicate? And we thought that if we just do a display of products in the auto show, people will never understand what they can do on the product. So we thought that we create a small area where we'll give them experience what it can do. So we created an elevation, we created some stones, we created a sort of drums, and how to drive on top of the drums, multiple drums. And so that experience is what we started giving to people. And the kind of queue that came in, and the people were waiting, that was just about a minute of drive, and people were waiting for an hour to get that ride. So after seeing that excitement in the general public, we thought, why not encash this, and we replicate this excitement across the country, where people come and drive and enjoy their life.
So I could go around the country to different Polaris Experience Zones, and like, for example, here we are in Dharuhera, and like you said, the USP of this is the trucks. It's from an old junkyard, so you can have the feeling of driving through these old trucks. And like Chennai, you mentioned, is the beach, so you're on the beach. Any other USPs of some of the other Polaris Experience Zones around the country?
Yeah, you can go to hill stations like Munnar, and you can enjoy in those hills how to explore that. And some of the other Polaris Experience Zone, which is slightly more bigger, like this is just about an acre of land. So you have bigger areas where you can go and explore different areas. For example, like we are coming up in somewhere in Madhya Pradesh, where you can go in the forest trails.
Oh, fantastic.
So like that, there are various trails that has been created.
For any of the participants of the competition, so they can technically come to the Polaris Experience Zone and start practicing already in anticipation. Is that a good way to get some experience beforehand?
Yeah, I will encourage that. Because it's a competition, and the prize is something which that's my favorite vehicle. So I would really look at people who come, drive, gain more experience.
Only the most fearless and audacious will be crowned Off-Roader 2015. But maneuvering an ATV is not as easy as it looks. But have no fear, because after this short break, we'll give you a crash course, pun intended, on driving an ATV like a pro. Stay tuned.